Hey everyone, and welcome back to Turner Mobile Detailing. And if you're local here to the Bucks County or Montgomery County areas here in southeastern Pennsylvania, then welcome to Turner Mobile Detailing. If you found this video either on YouTube or on our website, no doubt you're looking into paint protection options for your vehicle. So today we're going to be telling you about our light ceramic coating option. You can upgrade from our mid-level option. Our mid-level option for the exterior detail offers a ceramic sealant to finish off the paintwork and the glass, which will offer 4 to 6 months of protection for your vehicle. However, if you upgrade to the light ceramic option, you're looking at around 12 months or more of protection, depending on how well you maintain the exterior of your vehicle and whether the vehicle sits outside or sits inside a garage predominantly. What is a light ceramic coating, you ask? Well, a light ceramic coating is very similar to a full-blown ceramic coating, only it has less SiO2 content or glass solids content within the formula. This means that it's cheaper, it's easier to apply, however it's not going to give you the same longevity as a full-blown ceramic coating, and it's not going to give you quite the same protection either. So it's a great option for those of you who are looking for a little bit more protection than a sealant will provide, and is extremely cost effective also. For this upgrade option, we typically use System X Renew, which is a spray-on or wipe-on ceramic coating. And again, it's going to provide about 12 months of ceramic protection for your paintwork and for your glass. Now again, those 12 months depends greatly on the amount of exterior maintenance that is performed on the vehicle, and also whether the vehicle is primarily kept inside or outside a garage. Now the Maserati Levante you see behind me, we've already gone ahead and gone through a full strip wash process. We've gone ahead and removed all the iron and ferrous metal deposits that are on the paint and on the glass. We've gone through a full fine-grade clay bar decontamination process, and then we wrapped up all the prep work by wiping the entire vehicle down with a panel prep solution. So the paintwork and the glass are completely free of any oils, any dirt, any contaminants that could prohibit the ceramic coating from bonding to the paint and the glass. So now all that's left to do is to apply the light ceramic coating System X Renew. So just to name a few, the benefits of upgrading from a regular sealant to a light ceramic coating are that you're going to get much better self-cleaning properties in the light ceramic coating. A light ceramic coating will repel dirt, salt, oils, and whatever else the environment has to throw at it, all the while keeping your vehicle looking better and cleaner between washes. You're also going to get a greater degree of UV protection for your paint. The light ceramic coating will repel harmful UV rays to a greater degree than a sealant, preventing the fading, hazing, and chalking of your vehicle's clear coat. And again, as mentioned earlier, you're going to get about 3 times the longevity out of a light ceramic coating over a sealant. Notice the difference in color and depth of color in this beautiful sapphire blue from the coated side to the uncoated side. Now here you see we're coating the glass with the light ceramic coating, System X Renew. Some of the greatest benefits of having a light ceramic coating on your glasswork include greater clarity and visibility in all weather conditions. It offers much greater water repellency than a sealant, resulting in much greater visibility and safety while driving in the rain, and especially at night. In some cases, you may not even need your windshield wipers. And speaking of windshield wipers, a light ceramic coating is much more abrasion resistant than a sealant, meaning the windshield wipers, when you do use them, are less likely to damage or abrade off the coating on the glass. And of course, it's worth overstating that the light ceramic coating on your glasswork is going to provide you with these benefits and need to be replaced much less than a sealant. Okay, so that is our light ceramic upgrade option featuring System X Renew. As you can see from the after footage, this Maserati came out absolutely beautiful. It really makes this sapphire blue metallic pop. And no doubt this Levante will be turning heads no matter where it goes. So if you enjoyed this content, please don't hesitate to like our video right down below. And if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That way you don't miss any future auto detailing content just like this. And again, if you're local to Bucks County, Montgomery County, then don't hesitate to reach out to us with any questions or concerns, or if you'd like to book an appointment. All our contact information can be found in the description right below. So thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Seth with Turner Mobile Detailing, and we'll see you in the next video.